What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some breaking crypto news. All right. This is something that we're going to span a little international, talk about the China markets as it relates to Bitcoin. And this is really relevant, even if you follow me for other cryptos, just because of the nature of Bitcoin and how it is the riser of all tides. So let's get down into it. And before we do, make sure you guys all consider giving a subscribe and a follow here on the channel. This is something where it's totally free. It's a great way to give back. And at the very least, please absolutely smash that like button. Okay. But let's get into it. Let's talk about some Bitcoin because this is just a more broader scope of practice when we talk about what this means for crypto. Bitcoin right now trading at 59.95. Okay, so that's something where we've eclipsed 60,000, but we've since dipped a little bit below it. So right on the heels of getting back over 60K. Let's take a look into the chart right now. Okay, before we get down into the news, this is where Bitcoin is on the chart. You can see how we've bounced off of this level. And I actually drew this a while back because when we had that fall from Mt. Gox, this was in my video where I kind of have this blue line kind of illustrating you this channel. And you can see here in recent times, this was back, I believe, in March, May, and then July. So coincidentally enough, it's been basically the first part of each and every month. So these were all March. These were March, May, and July, kind of the first or second days after that month has started. So just something kind of important from a trend to note if you guys do trade Bitcoin. But this is something where I said that I circled this. I didn't do this today. I did this a few videos back. And it kind of saves my progress on the chart. But we did bounce off, just like, I don't want to say I predicted it because nobody has a crystal ball when it comes to crypto, but it is something where we've been kind of repeating. History has been repeating itself. So this is a leg up. We'll see how high we can get back. Let's see if this can continue, and if we can absolutely get back into this range where it was a more wider spread consolidation pattern. I think from 62 roughly to about the 68,000 range. That's where I think Bitcoin is nicely consolidating. So let's get back to those levels. Germany's out of the game. The Mt. Gox liquidations are over with. And let's continue this trek upwards into the green, okay? And if you guys are curious what I'm using, this is Margex, okay? This is my leverage trading platform. They are a channel sponsor. I do have a link down below in the description. If you guys want to get all hooked up trading on leverage, it's very volatile. So make sure you guys do your own research and due diligence, not financial advice, but if you do want to get a sign-up bonus or use some of the copy trading features within this platform, it is one where I know with people with Bitcoin, some of the feedback I've gotten on the channel, a lot of traders have been having some extreme success trading on leverage using this platform. So no KYC, not financial advice. And if you want to get started with Margex, sign up today. I believe you can claim up to a $10,000 bonus just for registering using my link down below. So that's what I have in terms of sponsors. But let's get into this breaking news, right? China is going to look into reconsidering banning Bitcoin in Q4 of 2024. Now, I was talking with a crypto trader a little bit earlier on in the morning, and we kind of came up with the conclusion that if the market was going to kind of explode, that we were looking for this to happen Q1, Q4, Q1 of 2025 and Q4 of 2024. So this would be a very solid catalyst, okay? This would be a shift in policy as well as not just for Bitcoin, but for the broader market in crypto. And this is a big headline, okay? They've banned crypto. We all know that Hong Kong kind of skirts that line, but they've shut down transactions, ICO bans, and more of the exchanges that do operate within China. So this would be a lot of innovation, not just within kind of what could develop, but more so this would send trading volumes off the roof. Okay, so this is some Bitcoin breaking news, all right? And this is something that we got to continue to monitor. This would create a wave of crypto. It's completely speculative, though. I'm going to highlight this for you guys, okay? But this piece coming down from Crypto Newsland, the implications are just absolutely massive, okay? And it's not just me and you, but the whole crypto market would gain from this if we did lift that ban. I think this is something where you have to kind of hope for it to happen. We'll see what happens with the post-election when we get into 2024 later on in the year. We get into Q4. That's when I think we're going to get some steam from that. Hopefully it's not a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Hopefully we do get that sustained push from what's to come about from if we do have a new regime or the current regime that remains in office with the United States Time will tell, okay? But that's kind of what I have for you guys in terms of an update within crypto. This is a huge, huge mover, okay? It's still speculative, like I said, but if China does reconsider their stance and lift this ban, watch out, okay? So that's basically what I got for you guys. As always, make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. Smash that like button. Thank you all for watching. Links down below, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.